Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Python 101 Mastering the Python course. In the previous video, we talked about operators. Now, in this tutorial, we will explore the basics of Python control structures, learn about the if statement branching with Alif and L statements, and combining control structures to create complex logic. Get ready to exercise your skills and solve problems using interactive exercises and practice problems. Now grab your favorite seat, take your computer, and let's dive into the exciting world of programming. What are control structures? What are they? Control structures are statements used to control the flow of programs by breaking the code into smaller parts. Think of them as a map or a set of instructions that help the program make decisions. So, why are they important? Control structures are a fundamental part of programming and enable you to write some complex programs that can make decisions based on certain conditions or iterate over data effectively. I will give a real life example, such as if your mom said to go to the shop and buy tomatoes, but she says that if tomatoes are not there in the shop, buy potato, or if potato is not there, then buy brinjal. Some examples of common control structures are if statements, for loops, and while loops. These constructs enable programmers to write more concise and elegant code. Now let's talk about the if statement. What is it? The if statement is used to make decisions based on certain conditions or criteria. It allows you to execute a block of code if a certain condition is true. So, how does it work? The if statements evaluate a Boolean expression. If expression is true, the code within the if statement is executed. If the expression is false, the code is skipped. Why is it important? The if statement is a fundamental control structure that enables you to write programs that can make decisions and act accordingly based on certain conditions. The meaning of this is if we write a program and the given statement in the if statement is evaluated to true, then the block in the if statement runs the code. And if the condition of the if statement is false, then it will not execute the block of the code in the if statement. We will see it in the code. So now let's see if statements. Before diving into the if statement, let's learn Boolean operators. There are two types of Boolean operators, true and false. We can also write as 1 or 2. 1 or 0. If I write A equals to true, and if I print this, it will give me the output as true. And you might think that true is an string operator, but this is an Boolean operator. If I written like this, and if I print, then this would be an string operator. But if when we don't write in the quotation marks, then this is an Boolean operators. Now we know what are Boolean operators. Let's see if statement. So let's create a one more variable called c. C equals to 10. The if statements look like this. If and here is the condition what we are gonna write, and then a semicolon, and here will be the code. So let's first write the condition. So we want condition that if c equals to 10, then only print the c equals to 10. So if I write c equals to 10, and if I print
Print C is equal to 10. Now let's run this program. I will comment this out. Yes. Now if I run this, you will see the output is C equals to 10. But if I change this value equals to 15, and if I run again, it will not give any output. Now let's see what we will do if the if statement is false. Branching with ELIF and L statements. So what are they? The ELIF and L statements are used in conjunction with the if statement to create more complex logic. They allow you to add additional condition to the if statement and execute different blocks of code depending on the outcome. So how do they work? The ELIF statements allows you to add additional condition to the if statement. If the first condition is false, the ELIF statement is evaluated. If the ELIF statement is also false, the code within the else statement is executed. So why are they important? The ELIF and else statements enable you to write more complex program that can make more intricate decisions based on multiple conditions. They are essential for solving problems that require more complex logic. So for example, we have written previous program that if C equals to 10, then only print 10. If we write the condition in the if statement that if C equals to 10, then print 10. But the condition become false, then the code block in the elif statement will run. And if the elif statement condition will be false, then the else statement will run. Let's see this in code so you will better understand it. So now then let's learn elif statements and else statements. The elif statements look like this. Elif, and here will be the condition, and here will be the code. So condition is if C is not 10, then we will write C equals to is C 12? Then we will print if the C is 12, then C is equal to 12. Now we can write elif statements many. Like if we can write many elif statements such as like this. One more. 12. So is it 13? Is it 14? And if all the condition become false, then it will run else statements, which will print C is not equal to, C is equal to 15. Here will be 14. Here will be 13. Yes. Now let's run the code and let's see. C is equal to 15 because all this condition became false. Now let's write 12. If we run again, C is equal to 12. This condition became true. The first if statement became false and then it run elif statement and it became true. Let's see one more. 13. And see, C is equal to 13 has been printed. Now that's enough for today's video. With that, we have completed the video and there are more basic syntax in this control structures. And we'll be in the next video. But wait, the video is not over yet. As you remember, this course is full of quizzes, puzzles, and questions. Read the following questions and comment down below in the comment section, and I will give a like if your answer is correct. The question is create a program to take input a integer and you will give output as a number. Is that number is odd or even? And that's it for this video. In the next one, we will write more code and things will get even more exciting. Don't forget to comment below with your answers to the questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video of Python 101 Mastering the Python course.